Folks, I'm Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. What is behind me? Everybody asking from long time ago. I need a small fifth wheel from Cedar Creek Forest River. Well, what's behind me? It's a brand new 2025 Forest River Cedar Creek 31 RD. The beauty about it is all 30-foot fifth wheel, triple slide, overall length in the 34 to 35, which is you could take it to any campground with no issue. And it has all the features of Cedar Creek, which is a high profile fifth wheel. So Forest River Cedar Creek, it's a high profile fifth wheel. That means you could stand up 6.2 in the bedroom with no problem. It has the nice dual coated cap. This is painted. This is not a decal dual coated cap in the front. Leopard Retroflex. And then you have a full storage underneath here. And this storage, as you see, it's a prep. If you decide to put a 5.5 component LP generators, no problem. And then you have a nice 2 propane tank, easy to get, 7 gallons. You have a leash for your dog or cats. They're pet friendly, pass through storage. Has a TV hookup here outside if you decide. Outside sprayer. Gel coated fiberglass. You can see how shiny it is, so you have no issue of delaminations. 4-step to get in with a nice safe trail handle. Aluminum structure, there's no wood. It has the Asdel fiberglass in it. It has the also anti-lock braking system, ABS, so that's a big deal. The Cedar Creek has ABS brake. TST tire monitoring, it's included with it. Gel coated, and it's coming down over here. Typical Cedar Creek fifth wheel. It has the camera prep, ladder prep, come with the class 3 hitch and the receivers in the back. Very clean, modern look. Going over here, we have endless hot water heater. That's nice, worries. And you have everything in one nice docking stations. You have control for the hydraulic system slide out. You have a switch, nozzles for the gray tanks, bath tanks, and black water tank. Battery disconnect switch. So if I want to kill the power, I could do it here. Outside sprayer. And one thing is nice. This is a metal, so you have no issue about spilling water over here. It's more durable. And then this one, as you notice, it has the auto leveling. Love this big board. You could put hang things here. This is a place where you put the batteries. Again, they come with one battery, but you can put more. You can put lithium if you want. The beauty about this Cedar Creek fifth wheels, it's hydraulic system. Always hydraulic system or stronger than electric brake. So it has 6 points, as you see, 6 legs, auto leveling, and the controller's right here. I could, put my punch 5, 2, 4, 1, and voila. And then I could do auto leveling. I could do everything right there. So it has 6-point auto leveling hydraulic. Also, it has hydraulic slide out, which is rack and pinion, and they're stronger and bigger. And we're gonna go and show inside and show you all the nice feature about the 31 RD. 31 RD, Forest River Cedar Creek, is a new floor plan. I love the floor plan because it's a 30-footer box, overload 34, and some features. What I like about it is this. It gives you everything. It gives you the big window in the back. So you still have it. You're not losing the big window. So some people, they say, well, I like the rear view window fifth wheel, the one that has the sofa right there and the island and the 3 slide. What they did, they still kept that big window for you, but they just shifted a little bit and they add a desk. Now, you're gonna say, now I'm going camping, I'm not going to sit on a desk. You never know. A lot of people, they buy these units and they go camping at the same time working from their fifth wheel. So this is a perfect complete desk, and actually you could grab any chair. I just want to show you. I have this chair. I could put more stuff here, paper, doors. I could put my laptop, sitting like this, enjoying the nice river, oceans, place for your laptop or your big monitor, desktop, printers. It's right there. And you're not in the way of the living room or the kitchen. You're separate. And that's what I like about this unit. And And the amenities they offer, it's amazing. I want to start with the sofa dinette first, and then I'll go to the kitchen. Now, one of the nice features that I love the doors on the tinsel door on their dinette table, and then also this one extend, the table extend. You have a beautiful bench with back support on the bench, and then the bench is storage. Let me show them this one. You can store things on the bench. Easy to get in. USB plug, as you see right here. Very easy, it's nice, sit, talk, socialize, no issue. And then you have the two chairs. Now, if you just you and the wife, what people they do, I see them, they put one chair there on the side, one chair on this side, and they use the bench in front, the sofa, the height of the sofa, and use it as an ottoman. So that's another option. Dinette is very roomy, so even you have, look how the room I have. I could get easily on the chair with no problem. And then these are floating furniture, so I can play with it the way I want. And then you have a nice ear seating here, facing the TV and the fireplace, and their power. And then there's even pocket here for your remote control. Very nice. So you could watch the TV, the fireplace, watch the wife in the kitchen, go to your office. It's very roomy. And even if you have a friends, you sitting here, you could socialize with those friends sitting on this hide-a-bed sofa. So you have the nice hide-a-bed, the nice theater seating, and a table and a bench. Going over here, beautiful hide-a-bed. I could sit, enjoy the talking, and I could scoop this theater that way if I want to. This is a full hide-a-bed, come all the way to here. Matter of fact, I want to take extra time for you guys to show you that a hide-a-bed is amazing. And what I really like about it, Cedar Creek, it's not about everything. They give you this. So if you have a breathing machine or your friend has a breathing machine, they could sit it here and you have a plug here, 110. There's a plug 110 here. If you lay down in a bed and you want to have your iPad with you and you want to charge it, there's a plug. Just open it. Look how so easy. I swear to God. So easy. Watch. It's like an airplane coming to you. I love that. It sounds so easy. You see the Cedar Creek hide-a-bed? I don't have to even hold anything in my back. I did it with one hand. Raise it up. And then if you need this, it gives you a nice look. You want to like a headboard? You want to cover that gap? Cover that gap. Somebody come from the bedroom to the kitchen, I'm not in their way. Or even let's assume they want to go sit in the dinette, I could walk and don't bother them in their sleep. So this is the beauty about the Cedar Creek. I love this hide-a-bed sofa. I should buy one for my house. And then you just go like this. Watch. It's like an airplane. Love it. I swear to God, not even one hand. I wish all the RV manufacturers did with this, so we don't hit our back. And the salesman showing the hide-a-bed to the customer. Man, I love this. I love that sofa. So this is the nice hide-a-bed of Cedar Creek. Plus, hooks, storage, and more storage. Deep. Now, facing this, you have the TV and the fireplace. And Cedar Creek, as usual, they give you the nice hiding pantry. Kitchen, typical Cedar Creek. Bigger microwave. Nice cabinet on both sides. Cabinet on the top. Cabinet on the side. No worries. There's a place for trash cans. They give you the fancy trash can with the fancy chopping board. Self-closing. This is for your windows and your cleaning material. All silver tinted doors. And they're all self-closing. Nice kitchen counter space. Bigger sink. The waterfall. The cup. The soap. dispensers, cutting board, right faucet. And if this pantry is not enough for you, what are you gonna do with this pantry here? You have another huge you have two pantries in this. I mean, all this pantry, plus the pantry behind the TV, plus the closet over the hide bed, plus the closet over the office. This, if you worry about counter space and storage, that's the one solve the issue for you. And then when you go into the fridge, they give you the big 4-door fridge freezer, and it has the ice maker. I mean, I could just sell my house and live one of these. Here's my office. That's for the wife. I'm in. I am in. Now, after we're done with the kitchen, the living room, my office, I'm going to show you how beautiful this bedroom. Nice handle to get in. I love this calendar. You could mark on it. And going over here, you have a nice king-size bed. No worries. There's a plug for breathing machine, both sides. You could put your breathing machine here, or your iPad, or your laptop with a USB plug. Storage underneath the bed. Now, what is mean high profile in the fifth one? It's mean 6.2. Look how the height in the bedroom. This is not a mid profile fifth one. Look how the gap on 5.6. I mean, you can see the gap. So a tall person could come here, walk around the bed without hitting his bed. Another TV facing the king size bed. Smart TV. Love this for the ladies. You could hide all your jewelries, all your makeup, or earrings and so on. Doors for socks, underwears. And then coming over here, we need not to forget our stackable washer and dryer. I can sit it here, as you see in the picture. One here, one there. They give you the Dyson vacuum, and there's a plug. Big closets. I could even stand in the closet. What else do you need? And then going to the bathroom, it has everything. I love this. China bowl in my bathroom sink. Nice medicine cabinet. No issue for my knees sitting on the toilet. Linen closets. And one-piece shower. No scene. I could set. Ladies, they could do their business. Soap dispensers. And a place for soap. Skylight. And 4 shower heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have a place, even this one, full privacy. Just take the latch from the back. It's a nice Cedar Creek bedroom. And all of it just only 31 feet. That's the beauty about it. Guys, no worries. It has solar panel, 200-watt solar panel. As you can see, it's charging. It has also a smart controller for the 2 ACs. It has the leopard auto leveling stickers and all passwords and all controllers right here. So you guys, you need to come see this 31RD. 31RD Cedar Creek, perfect. Triple slide, auto leveling, 2 AC. And again, I don't want to go over the features and benefit more, but it's an awesome unit. You need to get it from Best RV, because what Best RV do? Sell for less. What Best RV do? Give you a price you can't shop. What's Best RV could do? Make it ready for you and get the get ready package at no hidden fees, nothing, just sale price, tax, unlicensed.